Welcome back to CPP Trading. In this video, I will show you how to install the SoftwareFX Forex Simulator and get the full version. And as a bonus, I will also cover how you can get a discount code for the full version with lifetime access. So let's start on the official website. So if you open up the link, you'll see a page that looks like this. We want to continue with pricing, and now you see two options. So there's a free demo version and a full version with lifetime access. On the lifetime license, you have access for, of course, your entire life, but you also get free updates and everything. The main differences are here on the free demo version, you can only take 5 trades per simulation. And the most important part is you cannot save or load any of your trading. And that's very important, especially if you want to do a lot of backtesting or do a proper simulation where you, for example, want to go through an entire month of data, look at a specific currency pair. So it's really an improved version of demo trading, basically, if you have an account, a demo account with a broker, because here with this Forex simulator, you can process a whole lot more of information and take a lot more trades. You can speed up the time and everything, which you cannot do on a demo account. The full license is only $100 and you have access for a lifetime, which is a very good investment considering what you get in return. Anyway, I do have a, let's put this in, I do have a discount code. I'll put the link in the description as well. And you get a 20% off. You'll see it's applied. Now, if you continue with this one, you'll get to the checkout point. Of course, you put all your information in it and submit the order. So now that we have signed up for the full version, you will receive an email with the logins, which we're going to use later on. Now, the next step is to download the program, where we click here to get the file. It's downloading. Oh, and we also have to mention that it only works on Windows. So if you do have a Mac, it doesn't work, but there is a way around. So if you're using a VPS on a Mac, a virtual private server, you can get around this because you can still download and install MetaTrader 4 and use the SoftwareFX Forex Simulator if you have a Mac. If you do not have a VPS currently, I'll put a link down in the description as well. You can get even a discount there too. You can use it for just for this purpose or for all your trading in general, since it's always recommended to use a VPS. Now, if you do not have MT4 MetaTrader 4 installed already, there are a few brokers that allow you to download it for free. So we can here, for example, go on the brokers, and both FXView and Fusion Markets, you can just click on the link. It's an offer because if you sign up through our website through CPP Trading, you actually get a discount on the commission, save you some money. Download MetaTrader 4, and here for Windows. Now we have that downloaded as well. Once you have MT4 downloaded, we open up the program. And then you see here on the left side where you have your accounts. So of course you have to log into a demo account. It has to be a MT4 account since you're in MetaTrader 4. If you don't have an account here, you go on the top left on File and Open Account. And then you choose your broker. It's here Fusion Market Demo and existing account. So use your login and your password to log into your account. And the way you can open up a new account is you have to have an account with the broker already. So through the link before, again, you can just log in, you can create an account. If you are a new client, you'll make your account, and then you have the option to make a MT4 or MT5 account. You just open up an MT4 demo account. You'll receive an email with the logins, which is what you're going to use here. So you have your account number, your login, and your password. And then once you have that, you'll see that the account is listed here. So you see it on the left side. And this is what you need for the next step. Now that you are logged in into a demo account in your MT4 platform, we have to activate the Software FX simulator. So this is how we're going to do it. So you open up MT4 and you also go to your download folder, wherever you have downloaded the file before, which we've downloaded from the website earlier on. In this case, I have it here. Now what we're going to do is in MT4, we go to the top left. You see open data folder, you click on that. Now we go into MQL4 and then experts. And now you see if you do not already have that. So let's delete it for now. If you don't have it already, you're going to take the file that you downloaded from before and you simply copy it into or move it into this folder and you close it. Sometimes here on the left side, you can right click and refresh, or you can also just close and open up MT4 again. Now we are double clicking on the Software FX Forex Simulator. Okay. And this window is going to pop up where it's asking you for your email and an activation code. This is the information you will see in an email once you purchase the full version. They will send you an email with your activation code. That's what you're going to type in here. And then you click on OK. If you were to just use the demo version, again, like you only have very limited, you can only take about 5 trades. You can't save or load anything. The full version, on the other hand, is probably what you would want. So you type in your email, your activation code, and click OK. And then you get to this window where there's the data center, so we can actually download data for up to about 10 years. I believe it's 10 years in the past. And if you have any simulations saved, you can load them here and continue on. You can do a lot of back testing, or you can start a new one. And this is something I'm going to show in another video. I'll make a separate video about how we're actually going to backtest and show you a little bit more about the program, how to use it, a few tips to it and everything. And this was it for now. So you've learned how to install the Software FX Forex Simulator, how do you apply the code, how you can get the full version. And check out the other video. I'll put the link in the description as well. Hope you liked it so far. Like and subscribe, and we'll continue with the next video. Trade safe.